Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put like this. So I will put about e to the power of y in here. So I will put this one go to the left, the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of y. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus e to the power of s. And I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 0. So I will put number 1 gone here. And we have e. Number 0 gone here. And we have number 1. And now we have c equals to number 1 minus Ln of 1 plus e. Now we put this one go back in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.